Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell, and we cover breaking news throughout the day as well, bringing you updates of what's going on. Welcome everybody. Thank you very much for standing by for me. I had a major crash this morning. I had to reboot and reset everything, and there's a lot to reset in the studio. So thank you very much for your patience. Thank you for staying with me. Really do appreciate it, but going to reward you now with another record-breaking day, and of course tomorrow night it's the big one. We've got after hours tonight with, of course, Robinhood, and then tomorrow night we have, of course, our Virgin Galactic SPCE earnings report plus the $100 giveaway. Let's get straight into our trades. As you can see, we are, I'm looking at Robinhood at the moment. Let me just refresh that. There we go. Back to the main screen. We're up 1.51 again this morning. Absolutely incredible. Right, we got 18 people straight in the show. That's absolutely incredible. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience this morning. If you could all just smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up, that would be absolutely great. Really appreciate the thumbs up this morning for having to wait so much. And if you're over there on Twitch, open a tab. And remember, all the money I earn on Twitch and subscribers I give back in cash prizes. So have Twitch open on a second tab or another device. That's absolutely great. Okay, good stuff. I see you all coming in now. Okay, let's go through the stocks. We're up again 1.52. So we are up now on the live position. We are up on the day. We are up on the week. We are up on the month. And we are approaching, can't you believe it? Can you believe it? Approaching up on 3 months. We only need 3.5%. That isn't a lot to do. We could do that. Welcome everybody over on TikTok. Good morning to all of you. Click the profile, come out of the main show, come into the profile here, come on to YouTube and join us. We're giving away $100 in tomorrow's show. Very exciting. We're here. Opening bell, closing bell. We're here tonight with the Robinhood earnings. Tomorrow night we're here with Virgin Galactic earnings. And we're giving away $100 on YouTube tomorrow night. Come into the profile right here. We give away money every week, but this week we're doing it twice. There we go. So look at that, guys. What an amazing run we are having right now. The VU, Vanguard S&P, overall now is up 3%, up 0.65 today. Virgin Galactic up 1.91% today. I said it'll go $10 on earnings. Let's see what happens. Up 18.9% now on this stock. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit is preparing for some rockets, satellite launches, whatever, in September in Cornwall in England. Very exciting. We may never see $4 again with Virgin Orbit. Tesla, $1.91. I said it will hit $1,000. We're not that far away. It could do it today. Rivian is up 1.29. Lucid Group is up 1.7. And just following Tesla right now. Polestar up. Arrival up 1.2. Great news coming out of Arrival. We've got Amazon up 1.37 today. Apple is up 0.95. Morning, everyone. Space of $10 or Tesla to 1,000 first. That's right on the line. I'll come back to it. Robinhood, of course, we report tonight. Robinhood is in disastrous situation. It's why I only own a very small amount. And I'm up 9%, which is great, but I only own 18 shares. Very small position. McDonald's is flat right now. Coca-Cola, some of these screens might need to refresh. There we go. Some of these screens might need to refresh. Due to the crash, I did everything that was vital and a few things that wasn't absolutely vital prior to the show. So a few of these screens might need a refresh. Okay, let's go back, see if they're starting to come in. So where were we? We got to Coca-Cola. Has that come in yet? Not yet. We're waiting for a couple of screens to load. Might take a few. Oh, here we go. Starting to come in now. Coca-Cola, I'm up 1.6 overall and up 0.31 today. We've then got Johnson & Johnson. There's a few of these screens that are loading up. Do you still do you still have SoFi? I'll come on to that in a second. Yes, I do is the quick answer, but I'm just loading through the screens right now. My overall portfolio is now at 1.53. The big question is, will I hit 50,000? That's when it all fell apart. When I nearly got to 50,000, I was like 48, we were approaching 50, and then we crashed beyond all crashes. And that's what happened. Let's see if we can get there again. Anyway, first of all, though, I apologize for some of these screens being slow. We are in a bit of a updating situation right now. Okay, so Johnson & Johnson is flat, but I'm down 1.44. Great dividends, though. Google is up today, 0.03. I'm up nearly 5% on Google now. Microsoft up 0.87. Let's come on to Meta now. Apologize again for the speed of the loads, but this will fix itself. There we go. Meta is up 2.5. SoFi. Right, SoFi, I have 128 shares. We are up 13% today. 13%. Oh, I see why that's doing it. Oh, it's pre-market. Yeah, 12.79. The earnings last night was incredible. Such good forecasting going forward. Such great things for SoFi. They're really at the beginning of their journey. So very, very good. I think it will always be in the black net on this one. So worrying news for SOL today. Major hack on the network. Yeah, more trouble in crypto land today. We're still waiting for, the final rinse out. We're still waiting for a lot of these cryptos to disappear, and it will do such good. As Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank says, when we lose half of the crypto, it'll strengthen the good ones, and it will. IonQ is at 1.45. We've got a tip just come in this morning. Thank you very much indeed. Can we have a poll? What will happen by Friday? Space hits 10. 2, Tesla hits 1,000. Neither or both. Okay. All right, let's do a poll for one of our members. You can have that if you're a member. PayPal is up 13.49. Rolls-Royce is down slightly. Walmart, oh, we're all speeding up now. Up 0.15. Target is up 0.86. Tesco is down 0.74. Canoe is up 1.1. On is up 0.63. On Semiconductors, absolutely great. Tilray Brands. We got more news now about, I just only got it a few moments ago, actually, from NYS. Something about Tilray Brands can now go on TV and do ads. So we'll look at that in a minute and we'll see, we'll look more into that. But Tilray Brands now up 6% overall. Remember, I doubled up. I was 24% down and doubled up. That's why I'm up now. 6.32, 3% today. Ginkgo Bioworks up 1.6 today. That's and Enphase Energy down slightly, but I'm now up. Listen to this, 62%. Now let's come into Bitcoin SV up 2.5 today. Bitcoin is up 1.87 and Ethereum is up 2.57. If I was all in on this stock, I would now be up 52% on Ethereum. It's been the best performer of all of the crypto, but I'm up 52% on it right now. Anyway, I've only got $1 of it, so it doesn't really count, does it? Anyway, there you go. Paul B, wow, 1 billion Tether has been magically printed out of thin air today. 1 billion Tether has been magically printed out of thin air today. Incredible, isn't it? Right, we got a poll request here. Rob Brennan wants to know, can we have a poll? What will happen by Friday? Space hits $10. Tesla hits 1,000. Neither. One, Space hits 10. 2, Tesla hits, or 3. I'm just trying to hang on. 1, Space hits at $10. 2, Tesla hits 1,000. 3, neither. 4, both. Okay. This is a poll requested by one of our members, and yeah, you can have a poll. So here we go. What will happen by Friday. There you go. This is a question from Paul Brennan. Rob Brennan, I beg your pardon. Mixing the two names up there. And SPCE hits $10. Option 2, Tesla hits $1,000. Option 3, neither. Option 4, both. Ask the community. Okay. Thank you very much, Paul, for your... Rob, keep mixing the names up today. Rob, I apologise. There we go. Trader Timothy. I think we got some guests on... We got some guests on Twitch this morning. Thank you very much. Remain on YouTube, but keep a separate tab open. As you know, if you subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime Gaming, if you go to Amazon Prime, just link it to Twitch. It will say, do you wish to turn gaming on? You say, yes, it's free. You don't pay for it. It's free. I will then get $1.85. A subscription every month. And what I'm doing is I'm sharing my... income from ads and subscription in cash prize. In cash prizes, and we're doing a cash prize tomorrow on Friday. Constant courage. I've got my one of my Luca badge owners over there on TikTok this morning. Good morning, one of our Luca badge owners. Constant courage says day traders live tomorrow. Says does it? Can't log on to YouTube. We had a technical glitch. We are live on YouTube. Just come into YouTube. Just come into my channel right now. I'll put up. You know what my channel is, right? Because you subscribe to it. But if it makes it any easier, I'll put my channel on the screen for you right now. YouTube.com/TheDayTrader1. If you come into the channel right now, you will see the live right at the top. It will show you I'm live. You can come straight in. We went late today by half an hour due to a major technical glitch. All right, so all right, there you go. So there's the link coming to YouTube. We're giving away $100 on tomorrow's show. You need to be in today's show. Get involved. Robinhood is going to fail. Robinhood will probably be bought out. That's what will happen. The platform is great. Stocks are safe, but the platform will be bought out, I'm sure. Let's have a look. I'll go number 4 as well. Let's have a look. Right. The poll so far is space hits $10 is the most likely. 25% says Tesla will hit 1,000. Only 12% say neither. And 25% say both. So either way round you look at it, it's very bullish because that's like 88%. Say either it's going to go up or both or whatever. So there you go. Very good indeed. Robinhood going to fail according to the Church of Logic. I wonder what will happen. There. Will trade in Taiwan affect the market today? Well, if we get any news about I'm trying to think of the word I'm looking at now. Supply restraints. If China clamped down on Taiwan, remember a lot of stuff comes out of China, but they need our trade though, so they don't want to sort of stop all the trade. But remember, more millionaires and billionaires are created at any time during wartime than any other time. So just remember that. China has stopped trade. There you go. China has stopped trade. Well, we shall see. At the moment, we're getting a massive bull run. Or at least we're getting a rally anyway, a bull rally, a relief rally. Regine Reyes, how are you this morning? I hope you got the newsletter. You signed up. You'll get it on Sunday, and you'll be in all future cash giveaways. El Salvador banking platform Galoi has launched a Bitcoin-backed synthetic dollar pegged to the US dollar. El Salvador, remember El Salvador got Bitcoin earlier this year. El Salvador banking platform Galoi has launched a Bitcoin-backed synthetic dollar pegged to the US dollar. There we go. Not a great fan of these pegging things because you you hear about it all the time. They peg something and then it unpegs. And it's just like gets deleted and disappears. Oh, you made it, Real Ray. There we go. He made it. He made it into the show. Yeah, we went live today a little bit late. We had some technical glitches. All right. The overall portfolio is now up 43,373. Rob Brennan, see my message, reference HKD, Martin. And I'd be very interested to hear your thoughts on it. HKD. Did you put it in the chat? It's only been around for about a month and now there's 100 billion market cap. 100 billion? What's going on? What's going on? HKD. Right, let's see if that's available. HKD. Let's see if that's available. AMTD Digital. $1,800 a share. Okay. All right. AMD Digital is a holding company which engage in the development of digital solutions under AMTD SpiderNet platform. It operates through the following segments: digital financial services, SpiderNet ecosystem solutions, and corporate. Show more. Let's have a further look into it. The digital financial services segment offers corporate insurance through AMTD, risk solutions, platform, and digital insurance technology under policy platform. The SpiderNet ecosystem solutions segment provides access to resources and technologies from AMTD SpiderNet ecosystems to Asia-based entrepreneurs and corporations. Corporate segment includes digital investments business as well as digital media, content, and marketing business. The company was founded in 2019, so it has no history, and is headquartered in Hong Kong. Hong Kong now was part of the British Empire. It's now part of, it's very much run by China, so this is very much a Chinese stock, I would say. The listed name of HKD, so that I'm not interested. I'm always a bit negative on Chinese stocks. Opened up to 900. 52-week low, $12.05. 52-week low, $12.05. Let's have a look at this. It's up 3,000% in a week. Wow, it was like $2. Right, okay. Okay. Now, I don't know what everybody else is thinking, but when I first look at that, has anyone ever seen a stock behave like this before? Blimey. Imagine if you'd bought that. Imagine if you'd bought that. 13,000%. So, in a month, in 3 months, 13,000%. 22,000% in the first month. It has fallen back a bit, though. It's pure manipulation. That's exactly what I'm thinking. China is very good at this. I don't know how it gets away with it. I mean, I wouldn't buy it. How can you buy it at $1,800 when in 3 months it's gone up from, it was $12. It was $12. How can you buy a stock that was $12 2 months ago for $1,800? It's more than Tesla. Nah. No, but remember one thing though. It's all about how many shares are issued. Look at Amazon. Amazon was $3,000 a few months ago. Now it's 100 and something, right? It could have an immediate stock split. Let's say it does a stock split today. and does a like 20 for 1 or 50 for 1 or 100 for 1, suddenly it goes all the way back down again and seems cheap. It's not. It's just, you know, imagine the company have only issued 10 shares. I'm just trying to make it like, you know, kids play, right? Imagine the company have only issued 10 shares, and that's why they're $1,800 each. Well, tomorrow they'll go, right, we're going to go 100 for 1, and now they're $180 a share, and suddenly there's 100 more shares. You know, it could be something like that. Remember, the entire company could have a very limited number of shares, so the shares are extremely expensive to make it look really amazing. The growth is amazing, and in fact they only have a few shares. That to me looks like manipulation. Look at the market cap. Yeah, well, you can work out the market cap from the share price. 39 billion. Yeah, I think that's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, owning one share, probably in real terms, is probably like owning 1,000 shares. We should all short it. I'm not shorting it. I'm not getting involved in Chinese manipulation. Yeah, I don't believe that for a minute. I certainly wouldn't buy it. You'd be off your nut to buy that today. If I'm perfectly honest, anything like this, you'd be absolutely crazy to buy it. But what do I know? I think you'd be a millionaire if you dumped your portfolio into it a month ago. Yeah, you would. Oh, absolutely. I agree with Paul. Rather buy one. I would rather buy one Ethereum. I'll give you that. Paul, I've gone on the record saying I would rather buy one Ethereum than that. I'd rather buy a crypto. Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't touch that. That looks ridiculous to me. Anyway. Thanks for bringing it to our attention. I'm going to keep it open, see what happens on the bell. Right, we've got 9 minutes before the bell goes. Let's get straight into the stocks this morning, and let's see where we end up. All right, okay. We're up 43. We're up to 43. We're not up 43,000. We're up to 43,000 today. Okay. The poll right now is split. Wow. Okay, which tells you really everyone is extremely bullish. You have 17 votes, Rob, and 30% say Tesla will go to 10, 30% say Tesla will hit 1,000, and 30% say both. So, you know, that's great. That's exactly what you want. Exactly what you want. So that way you can 50-50, put your money in Tesla, and 50-50 in Virgin Galactic. I think that's exactly what you do want. That's the result you wanted. You didn't want neither. You didn't want one or the other. You wanted both, and either share equal. That's exactly the result you wanted. If you could have picked the perfect result, that would be it. PayPal crushed earnings. They did indeed. I've got 5 shares. Now that doesn't sound a lot, and I guess it isn't. On, you know, some levels, if you've got 1 share of PayPal, it's a lot. If you've got 1 million shares of PayPal, it's not a lot. For me, it's a lot. It's 0.72 of my portfolio. And let's remember one thing. This could go up to $300 a share. And there is a rumor now. Who watches Kramer? I like to watch Kramer sometimes. I sometimes can't understand what he's saying. And I don't agree with everything he says, but I like it. I get some information out of it. PayPal, you know, could link with Pinterest and Shopify and a few others and try to compete with Amazon. And this stock could go back to where it was, which was 300, and carry on. So even though I only have 5, I could have 5 at $300. I could have $1,500 worth of portfolio on that. So 5 shares of PayPal at $300 is quite a bit. So let's see what happens. And SoFi, on the other hand, I bought it at the beginning of its journey. I've got 128 of this, and this really could 10x in a year. It really, really could. I loved what they were saying last night on the earnings. If you've not checked out that video, by the way, I actually recreated the video and put it out for you as a separate video. So if you want to get this one. I'm going to just open it in a new tab because I don't want to damage my own algorithm because it's an hour long. But, oh, in fact, that's not the one. That's not the one. What is that? Oh, this is the one here. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one I wanted to show you. There you go. I'll give you the link. You want to go and watch this one because this is just the actual video. I edited it down and seems a good idea to edit them down. You get a different type of audience. When you go straight in, there's no build up. It's straight in video. If you want to go and listen, I would strongly recommend, not only because it's good for my channel, but strongly recommend you have a listen in to SoFi's earnings. It's very, very interesting. Anyway, we'll keep our eye on AMTD. If space opens above 8, we could have a great day. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. 798. We're coming up to 5 minutes before the bell goes. We're going to keep our eye on it, and this could be a very interesting day. We have, I beg your pardon, we have Hood reporting tonight. So join us for the Hood earnings. And tomorrow night is the big one. We're giving $100 away in our special sponsored event by Rob Brennan. Thank you very much indeed. By the way, if anybody wants to sponsor next week's newsletter, remember the price keeps going up as we get more and more readers. Okay, right now we have 171. So Tom is sponsoring this Sunday. So if you want to sponsor next Sundays, and by next Sunday, I guarantee we'll be over 200. Thank you very much. I was just told I was muted. Thank you very much. So if you want to sponsor, thank you guys. If you want to sponsor the newsletter, Tom is sponsoring this Sundays. If you want to sponsor it, it's 171 times 5 cents. And you can sponsor this Sunday's newsletter, next Sunday's newsletter. Thanks, guys. I love the way everyone lets me know. You guys are so good with that. Brilliant. So there you go. Go and check it out. If you want to, you can book it now, and you can book it in advance. If you have a business or something you want to promote, you can book it in advance at today's price. And all you do is do a super chat for that amount, which is 171 times 5, and you can sponsor up to a month ahead. Up to a month ahead, you can do that. So as it goes up in numbers, you're going to get a better and better deal. Okay? All right. We love you, Martin. Thank you, Dexter. Love you all too. Right, Virgin Galactic 799. We got 3 minutes to go, and looking very, very good indeed. Right, let's get ready. Let's have a quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date. I'll be right back in 30 seconds from now. There we go. No chitter chatter for about 8 seconds. No chitter chatter. Fusion 301 for about 8 seconds. Yeah, that's right. Unless you're watching the adder course, then it could be a lot longer. Over there on TikTok this morning, welcome to all of you. If you smash the like button here, got a bit of a surprise for you. If you smash, sorry, not the like button, the share button. See the share button just here? At the bottom of the screen is a share button just there. You see the share button? Share the button, share it. I'm going to give away $100 tomorrow night in our show, our after hours show. Everyone follow me. Thanks for all the follows. If you subscribe to me during today's show, at the end of the show, I will make you a commercial. Your channel will be on this screen behind me, and I will invite my 22,000 followers to follow you. I will make a video for you for free by being one of my subscribers. I put it on the homepage of my TikTok channel. I share it with everybody. I then send it to you. You can put it on your channel and you will grow. I do it for all of my subscribers. I don't follow anybody unless they are my subscriber or member on YouTube. And the reason why I do that, not because I'm mean, I do it because I engage in everyone. And if you follow for follow, like all the scammers who pretend to be me do, you've got no engagement and you can't help anybody. I only follow and engage in my subscribers and my members on YouTube. All right. If you click the profile, we've got 1 minute to go. Let me bring up the timer. Here we go. 1 minute to go. We're going to open the bell. Here we go. If you click the profile here, come out of the live show, come into YouTube now and say, hey, I would like to be in your free prize draw. We do it every single Friday. Tomorrow we've got another one, $100 we're giving away tomorrow. Completely free, cost you nothing. Come into YouTube, the link's in the profile. Just come out of the main show here live. Come into the homepage of my TikTok channel. Come in and say, I'm from TikTok and I'd like to be in your prize draw. And you can be. So here we go. Real Ray, you're on a delay. No, you're in the past. So you're in the future. Yes, he's right, Real Ray. Click the live button at the bottom of the screen. If it's grey, it means you're behind. Turn it red. Click it and it will go red. Okay? Did I win tomorrow's draw? I like it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, Real Ray. Click the live button. It's probably grey. It's probably grey, and it should turn red. So you're behind. All right. In about a minute or two, you'll hear me say that, and then it'll jump up and go, "Yeah, I've done it." So let me know, Real Ray, when you've done it. Click the live button. The live button is is at the bottom of the viewing screen, and next to the clock and everything else. And it needs to be red. It's probably grey. Right, AMD. What happened to that? What happened to that? What's it doing? Nothing at the minute. I'll come back to that in a second. Right, here we go. Right, we're up. Wow, SoFi. Let's have a look. SoFi up 14%. SoFi is absolutely taking off this morning. Absolutely taking off. I've got enough. I didn't buy any more. Don't need to. IonQ, SoFi. I bet PayPal's doing the same. Not yet, it's not. Not yet, it's not. But SoFi certainly is. Look at SoFi go. Let's look at Tilray as well. Target. Let's go to Tilray. Tilray. We've got the news about the... that means if the world ends, I'll survive longer. Real Ray, did you find the live button we were talking about? Okay, we had a little bounce. Well, a little drop actually, I should say, not a bounce. The S&P is holding up. Virgin Galactic, 7.99. Where's it going to go? 7.98. Looking nice. Okay. Virgin Orbit just dropped a little bit. I don't see it going much lower though. 920, $1,000 today for Tesla. There it goes. 922, 923. Look at it going now. Rivian just dropping a little bit, but up today. Lucid dropping down. We've got. We need to look at Hood. We've got a very, very small position in Hood. IonQ doing well. PayPal, Rolls-Royce up, SoFi up nearly 16% today. Most of that is on the back of last night, though. Hasn't really done a great deal this morning. That's on the back of last night. That's pre-market from last night. Ethereum's going up 2.92. Bitcoin's going up as well. BSV is going up. Enphase Energy dropped 2.4. Have I moved to the future? I've no idea. If you press the button, you can tell me. I don't know. I can't see what you're doing. All right, okay. Anybody? I've got no one coming from TikTok yet. If you come into the super chat, if you come into the chat, say I'm from TikTok, and I'll put you in our draw. We're giving away $100 tomorrow, and we do it every Friday as well. Okay. Ginkgo, Tilray. Tilray's giving away its gains right now. But I'm still up. Space back above 8. Here we go. I said that Space would get to $10 on earnings. Which is great when you own 1,400 shares. Yeah. $2 a share. That's, yeah, $2 a share. Yeah, that's $2,800. Yeah. That's good, isn't it? It doesn't seem much when you've got a lot of shares in something, and I haven't got a lot of shares compared to Rob Brennan. It really does make a difference. You can see, but then of course it goes down the same. So I get a profile view on TikTok, then I came into YouTube for the real deal. There you go, for the real deal. That's what it's all about. I'll give you a few different angles. Look, you got this angle. There you go. There's the TikTok angle. There's the TikTok angle if you want the TikTok angle. And what else have we got? We've got this angle. I'm like full of angles. There you go. All the different angles today. I'm spoiling you with the angles. Right, okay. Virgin Galactic's just dropping back a little bit, the overall portfolio. There we go, 19%. $2,000 now. You'd have made 19% if you'd bought it this morning. Who would have bought it? I mean, who would have done it? I mean, you can fractional share. You can buy $1 of it, you know. You could buy $1 of it. In fact, for fun, I'm going to do that. I'm going to buy, for fun, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to buy a share, dollars worth. I'm going to buy $10. There you go. I'm going to buy $10 of this crazy nonsense. All right, there you go. That's a lottery ticket. And here we go. I've got to do a flipping... it's because I haven't traded for a while. I've got to do a security check. Don't you love it? Now it's going to ask me to do another security check. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I've got to pause. Got to pause you a sec on TikTok. I'll be right back. Don't go away. I've got to do a security check. I hate this. I mean, it's great and everything, but it is a pain, isn't it? I mean, you set up all these things yourself. It's not like someone does it for you. You decide to turn all the security on. Okay. Okay, I'm back now. There you go. Done. I bought $10 of this, right? I bought $10. I expect to lose all my $10. It's just a bit of a laugh to see what happens. But there you go. I fractional shared. I bought $10. I'm not buying a share of it at $2,000, but I'm up 1%. Well, you know, if it goes up 30,000 million trillion %, you know, I'll make some money, won't I? So there you go. We'll keep an eye on it. See how much money I make. Shall I set a stop trailing order? Who dares me to do that? A stop trailing order on it. Oh my God, can you believe it? How ridiculous is this? Anyway, just trying to think that the whole world is barking mad. He must do, right? Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, the overall portfolio is going up. I've just made 1.5%, which is 16 cents. I bought $10. Too bad I'm still down 40% on PayPal. Still down 40%. Let's have a little look. Rolls Royce, finally. Let's go back onto PayPal and have a quick look. PayPal is up 11.75. I'm at 33% at the moment. Yeah, we'll just hold your position, Fusion. I'm sure it's going to come back on what they were saying last night, so I wouldn't worry. There you go. I'm up 1.5% now on this crazy stock here. There you go. I just bought $10 worth of this, 150 shares at 167. Ouch, yeah. Understand how that feels. I've been there. In fact, I am actually there. That's why my overall portfolio is down. Even though my PayPal, oh look, I'm up, you know, $33. If you can see what I actually owned and when I owned it. Because if I actually go to my overall position, that's why I'm down. That's why I'm down. Just because I sold out and then bought back in again. The reason why I did that was as it was falling down, I accepted the loss, knew it was going to go lower, and then bought it back lower. That's the reason for that. So I saved all those losses. You held your position, right? Well, another way of doing it is sell here when you bought here, Sell here, take the loss because you know it's going to go down. Of course, the risky side of doing that is if you sell here and then it suddenly turns around and goes up, then obviously you've lost and you're out. But anyway, the portfolio is pumping again. We're up. We could hit $44,000 today. Can you believe it? The S&P really is pushing up. I'm up 9.83 on space. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic now. I'm up 19%, $8 and holding. I sold PayPal at 80 because I couldn't stand watching it go down so much. Silly rabbit, the Church of Logic. Well, you didn't know. No one's got a crystal ball. I don't like these people who say, I told you so, and never feel bad. You know, your money's somewhere else, right? Your money's somewhere else. You sold out of something. You lost faith in it. You put your money somewhere else, didn't you? You know, it doesn't matter, does it? Maybe you took the money out of PayPal and bought Tesla, and look what happened there. Or maybe you bought SPCE, and look what happened there. So it doesn't matter, really, does it? Not really. Right, I'm at 1.56. Some exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted this stock. So there you go. Why is your S&P so low? Why is my S&P so low? What do you mean, so low? What do you mean? What do you mean by low? The amount I've got, the amount of shares I've got, the percentage I've got, the percentage I'm up. What do you mean? I didn't buy it at the very bottom, if that's what you're saying, because if I'd bought it at the bottom, I'd now be at about 10%. If I'd bought it at the very bottom. SPY is 411. Oh, I see. This is VU. It doesn't make a scrap of difference. It's an ETF price. It does make no difference. It's the same stocks. It's the same index. There's SPY and VU. There's several ETFs, and they're all it's all the same thing, really. They were just set up at different times, so they're different values. That's all. They follow each other identically. If you put them on top of each other, they are virtually an exact copy map. So it doesn't matter. It's not that I've got a better deal. I've got the same deal. And if you're up 10%. On $1 million, same as your 10% up on $10. It's the same. It doesn't matter how much it is. It's the same. So anyway. So this has been halted now. It's going to all crash now. I'm going to lose $10 in a minute. I can see it happening. It's like buying a lottery ticket. Just buy $10 worth. And expect it to go down. All right. Gotcha. Carry on. Thank you very much, Lights F. I'll carry on then. Lights F, are you one of my Twitchers, aren't you? I think you're one of my Twitchers. For those of you who don't know, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, I Real raided yesterday, and every month on the first Friday, I give away a cash prize, basically. So everyone here has got Amazon Prime. Turn on gaming and subscribe to me on Twitch, and keep it open. Keep a tab open, so it earns ad revenue, and the more money I get, the more money I can give back. All right. So everybody wins. Over on TikTok, how are you all doing this morning? We've got our cash giveaway tomorrow, $100 live on the show. Hope you'll join us for that. Martin, so low. You're good at a solo. Yes, indeed. An extra 3,000 shares, now up to 20,500. Wow, you just bought some more space. Oh, there we go. I love it. I love your commitment, mate. I haven't got that sort of money to play with, I'm afraid. So I'm all in. For me, 16% of my portfolio, that's all in, right? Virgin Orbit, $4. Tesla, $9.21. Okay, we're getting the morning sell-off. It's always around this time, about 15 minutes in, we get a little bit of profit taking. Remember, day traders who do nothing but day trade, which means they exit their positions. They don't hold their stocks overnight. They come in, and most of them will do their business in 15 minutes. And that's it. They're done. They're gone. You don't see them again. Leonard Andrews. Hi. What Rolls Royce is the real one? My price is $89.58. What's the real one? Well, there's Rolls Royce the cars, and there's Rolls Royce the the engines, the servicing of the engines of the planes. This one. This is what I've got. This is for servicing of all the jet engines. So very different stock. What is the real one? They're both Rolls-Royce, but this doesn't make cars. This services the jet engines. Develops, manufactures and services integrated power systems for use in the air, on land and at sea. So flipping great jet engines is what Rolls-Royce, this one does here. RYCEY. Prospeed, but the percentages are the same, so it doesn't really matter which you purchase. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, they track, but are a lot cheaper to buy in. Yeah, but it makes no difference. It doesn't make a difference. People get all hooked up on prices. It's why everybody's so excited with Bitcoin. Oh, it's going to go to $1 million. Oh, you can buy it for 20,000. None of this stuff is important. What's important is percentages. If you're up 10%, it's irrelevant of what the price is. Completely irrelevant. What's important is how you balance it in your portfolio, what risk and weight you put onto it. Remember, it's easy to make money, but only the hard part is to keep your money. Very, very easy to make money. This is very good for so far today. I'm not surprised by this. Their earnings last night was amazing. The company's going to go all the way. It's going to replace banks. That's the idea. Well, it is a bank, but it's going to replace the regular brick and mortar in 20 years' time. Maybe even before then. I also get to test an engine in a wind tunnel. Very exciting. You get to do that. I once visited Rolls-Royce as an air cadet and got to help fix a Pegasus engine for Harrier jump jets. Lovely. And I got to go in a wind tunnel. I love it. Right, we got a few guests in here today. I want everyone to welcome Leonard Andrews, who's a guest today. Leonard Andrews, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm known as the World Piano Man. I've performed 195 countries all over the world. This is my studio back here. And in this studio back here, let me give you a wave. How you doing? We've raised over $1 million for our charities, and you don't pay anything. We give all the money to you, no commission, no fees. This channel, we're trying to grow the best YouTube, Twitch, TikTok channel in the world. We're on 20 platforms live at the same time right now. And everything we do is to help people. We go live all the time. And that way, it's not about making videos that make me money. It's about creating engagement so we have and build a community. Now, you'll see nearly everybody in our show is a member. And the reason why they're members is they get 20 times back what they put in. Some of our members here are subscribers on Twitch as well, also subscribers on TikTok, and ask them why. They all are part of a family. We're all meeting in England in October for our convention. So it's a real family. We're here to raise money for people, support people, always tell the truth, share your real trades. I share mine. This is my real money, all my real money. Here is the invitation to join if you wish to. If you would like to, you can also join Discord as well. Here is the Discord link. Would everybody please put their cities? Thank you very much. Would everyone please put their cities and countries in Leah, can you come back a second? Leah, can you come back a sec? You won't be on camera. Sorry about that. Just something I had to do. Invitation to. Sorry, I'm getting confused now. Here is Discord. Here is Discord. If you want to have that link. So I was just dealing with a personal situation there. As I was just saying, this is a real channel for everybody. Okay. Would everybody? Oh, Zach's from Uganda. How are you, Zach? Lovely to see you. Discord. I'm going to schedule your event. I'm going to try and get it done today, Zach. So stand by for that information to come. All right. That information is to come. I'm working on it today. So Zach's going to get another fundraiser, which was donated by Rob Brennan. I don't know if... Prospeed is also a guest. Looks like the Starship Enterprise, Martin. Well, you've seen nothing yet, mate. Because if you give me a $10 super chat or more, And the reason why I say $10, it has to cover my copyright. All the lights start moving, all the smoke comes down, and I will do a song for you, one of 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 different languages. Market Profit is here. Market Profit, how are you? This is a great opportunity to buy. Lockheed, great dip to buy. Let me have a look. Where is Lockheed? Let's have a little look. Lockheed. I've already bought it. Don't tell me it's gone below where it was. Let's have a little look. I hope not. Oh, I'm still up. Oh, yeah, there you go. I'm still up 0.5%, but a dip today. Yeah, there you go. Lockheed, Market Profit has just given a tip this morning. It's just dipped. But I'm still up on it. I'm not buying any more. I've got plenty. I'm holding it for the dividends, if nothing else, to be perfectly frank with you. Peter Maycock has just become a member. Welcome to Bronze. Part of the family. Hey! Welcome. We've got a lot of silver and gold members in here today, by the way. Real Ray is one of our silver members. War with China has been cancelled. I love it. Trader Timothy over there on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Timothy keeps Twitch open for me. He's a good man because he knows that it makes ad revenue and I return it to all my subscribers. I've only got 8. So you've got a very good chance. And I'm doing our first proper draw tomorrow. Finally done it. Ha, ha, ha. Love it. Peter Maycock. Right. Let me give you all your perks then. So you know all the perks. You get polls. You get... I reply to all your comments. I feature your channel. Do all those things. And of course, happy birthday is for you or your whole family the day before, the day of, or the day after. And we do that to cover weekends for your whole family. So let me know and we'll do happy birthday for you. The whole studio turns into your concert and you get that. All right? Okay. Now then, let me give you the Discord because I want to upgrade you on Discord because you may be on Discord already, but of course, as a non-YouTube member, you don't get to see much. You can't call in. You can't have any of the perks. So go over to Discord, and I will upgrade you. So if you could do that during the show, here is Discord. I will upgrade you. Remember, if you ever become silver, it's a couple of bucks more a month. Then you get your own channel, plus you get on the homepage of my channel, and you get the fundraiser as well. The 20-minute charity fundraiser. Okay. Give me a few weeks and I'll be making donations to Church of Logic. Well, thank you very much indeed. Church of Logic. Great stuff. Now then, there's a few people coming today who are guests. So I'm waiting for our new member, Peter Maycock. Would everybody please welcome him in? Let's give him a big welcome, our new member this morning. Let's give a big welcome. Congratulations, mate. I appreciate it a lot. There you go. Awesome. There's the fireworks, which Fusion thinks are rubbish. They're probably, they're not the best, are they? But, they'll do. Cheers. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks and welcome to the family. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in? I want everyone to get to know Peter now. Please put your cities and countries in. I'm in Dallas, Texas. My studio, but I'm from England. Right. So put your cities and countries in. Let's go back to the main portfolio and see what is happening. Lockheed is coming back up again. Let's open up the main portfolio again. Keep our eye on Virgin Galactic, 805. 805. Peter Maycock, okay. Are you already on Discord? Because now I will do it for you. I will upgrade you live on the show. Peter, scrolling down, are you in there right now? No, but you might be already in the, you might not be on our channel yet. I don't know if you've yet got into the channel. Let's have a look. Peter. No, the answer is no. You've not signed up for our, Discord yet. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Nolan Bethel has joined. If you become a member, I'll upgrade you and give you the YouTube status and perks and benefits. You don't get that as a non-YouTube member. And you see all the people badges? They're all members. and you will see that. You wish real Ray. What did he say? Sheffield, England. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks, guys. I'm from York. Excellent stuff. Better than Manchester, Real Ray says. Seb Dean says, you wish. I'm a Manchester United supporter, so I'm having nothing against Man United. All right, okay. Watching Virgin Galactic. Let's go back now to, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute. And so, Peter Maycott, get into Discord. Takes 10 minutes to get in. I'll give you the link again. And once you're in, I will update you. Market profit is from Sash Cohen. I hope I've pronounced that right. That's from Canada. Right then, this is most important. More important than anything else, I love giving people money. Love it. Don't know why. I don't know why I like doing it. Some people think I'm mad. Why do you give away your money every week? Every Friday you give away money. Why do you do it? Why do you give away your subscriber money? Why do you do it? Well, I just like doing it. I don't know. There's no real fancy reason. I just like doing it. All right, and I want the best YouTube channel in the world, which helps people the most, that and tells the truth. That's what it's all about. Right, so here is our weekly newsletter. Every single week, we give away a cash prize. This week, we're doing 3. We've got, there it is. Now, when you click on it, and before you click on it, watch what I'm telling you, because so many people don't do it. When you click on it, you will come to this page. We'll be right back to the stocks in a second. You'll see the Day Trader right at the top. The Martyn Lucas Music Channel one is below, but the one we're talking about now is the Day Trader. Okay, you put your email in there and you subscribe, nothing else. Once you've done it, you have to go and check your junk folder, because the email verification always goes into junk. And the reason for that is because it uses the word cash prize draw. And I'm sorry, but that's what we do. We give free cash away, and that regards as spam. So go into your spam folder, and I can tell you when you've done it, because I'll come to this page. This page here, 214 have signed up, but only 171. And we have a massive 60% engagement rate with our newsletter. So if you want to sponsor it, it's 5 cents per times 171. And as it goes up, it gets more expensive, and you can book it a month ahead if you want to sponsor it and have your links, business, or whatever it is in the newsletter. All right, Peter, let's have a look. I think I see you now. What was your name again? Let me scroll up. Pete Jam 58. Right, let me have a look. Okay, you'll see me do it now. Here we go. Right. Is that you? Let me have a look. Profile, Pete Jam 5387. Make sure, because people will copy you. Yes, it is you. It is you. So I'm now going to update you and make you a proper member of the family. Roles member. There you go. Now then, if anybody messages you on Discord, or even TikTok for that matter, if anyone messages you on Discord calling themselves Martyn Lucas, do not listen. They'll try and sell you. They'll try and scam you. First of all, you can tell which is the real me, because my name in the bar down the side. You know what I mean by that, right? All the members is gold, because I'm an owner. Look, so my name is in gold. You can see, look at the top. Everybody else is white or red or blue, whatever. Mine's always gold because I'm the owner. 2, if you click on my role, you will see I'm the owner. People that scam you are not even members. That they're just nobodies. They're just scammers, right? They might use the same icon, same name. They are not me, so do not listen to them. And I only ever message people that have messaged me. I don't go around messaging everybody, trying to sell everybody stuff. I don't do that, all right? It's not what I do. I reply to you when you ask me something, and then we engage if you've won the cash prize or what have you. But I don't just go around messaging everybody, okay? Just thought I'd let you know. So be very, very careful. Lots of scammers, and the reason why they do it is we give away money all the time, and everyone's trying to take advantage of it and trying to pretend to be me, and you know, whatever. I have over 100 on TikTok, pretend to be me. And over on TikTok, be very wary. And how you know that I'm the real Martyn Lucas is, one, I spell my name correctly. Two, I'm always live. They're not live. They may have thousands of followers because they follow for follow. It's all bots. It's not real. If you see in my account, I have 22,000 followers and I only follow 22. They're my members and subscribers. And that's it. I only follow my members and subscribers and then make them videos which promote their channel. This whole thing is about you, me helping you. It's not about me selling you anything, all right? Never will be, never has been. I don't have a training program or any of that stuff. But you can buy my merchandise. Want to buy a mug? Look below the video. There's always the merch shelf. You can buy a mug. Right. Did anybody sign up for the cash giveaway? Let me have a look. It was 171. Let's see if it's gone up now. 171. It's now 171. Hasn't changed today. Right. 43,000. Will we hit 44,000 today? The S&P is up 3.29. Virgin Galactic is up 804. Are we going to head to $10 on earnings? Are we going to head to $10 on earnings? Robinhood to the moon. Okay. What's happening with Robinhood right now? We're going to have a really, really bad earnings. How can it possibly be good? Oh, look at that. That's pre-earnings. It's the earnings tonight. I love it. I've only got... I wouldn't have bought that this morning. There is the takeover bid, though. There is... what is it? What are they called? FX, NFX, EFX, something like that. NX, NTX, something like that. Someone is thinking of buying them. I made 109% return. I sold. That's good. I mean, this is in fact, it's a very good idea. Actually, I could do the same thing there. Actually. Yeah, I might do that. The earnings can't be good. The earnings can't be good. They make money from crypto and it's a disaster. It can't be good. I've just sold... Oh, look at this. It's doing it again. I hate this. This is because I haven't traded for a while. This is very, very annoying because what will happen now, I could lose out. I could end up, it could go down. Very, very annoying. Okay, I've stopped my, let me come back to it a minute. I've stopped my, hang on, I've paused you. I apologise. I paused everybody. What I've done, I'm gonna do something different. Actually, I'm gonna set a limit order. Sell hood. Limit order. Whoops. Hang on. No, not that. Trailing stop order. A trailing stop order. And percentage. I'm up 22%, so I can lose. I'll agree to lose 5. Good for the day. Right, review the order. Okay, I'm up 13% right now. It can't be good today. 5%. There we go. I'll still make some money. I might lower it to 4. Okay, damn it, this is so annoying. You're costing me money, Robinhood. This is not good. I understand why you're doing it. I don't mind, but it's like not a good idea. Done. Okay. I have set what I've done, and I apologize for TikTok for pausing you. I had no choice. I've set a stop trailing order rather than just selling it. It's not a lot of money, but I can take a profit from this because their earnings cannot be good. What do you think, Market Proof? What's your password? I'll do it for you. I can't trade after hours. I'm holding 20,000 shares into earnings now. The hood pump is a bull trap. Yes, it's all hallmarks written. It has all the hallmarks. Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. It's why I've set a stop trailing loss. So I've set a 3%. I think it is. Let me refresh that screen. That's the best way of doing it, because I'm going to make money. Whatever I do, I'm going to make a profit. Look, I'll show you what I've got. There you go. 17 shares. I'll keep one. A 4% loss. There you go. Highest is 10.54. There you go. So that's the best way to do it, and I nearly forgot that. It's a very, very important strategy, that is. If a stock is being pumped like this, and you know, at least you should know, if you've done your, why do you own a stock if you don't know this? You know earnings are not going to be good for Robinhood. We know it, right? They make most of their money out of crypto, and at the moment, their crypto is awful, and a lot of people have taken it off the platform in their own wallets, so there's that happened. A lot of people have sold out on Robinhood as well. A lot of people have exited the market because they were margin called, so they're not even back in. They got no money. Robinhood cannot have a good earnings. But what it does have going for it is a buyout, because the platform is fantastic. It's the best brokerage in the world. I love Robinhood. They're just not making any money, right? The platform is brilliant. I love it, right? Robinhood isn't going anywhere. I've got all my investments protected. It's not going to disappear. It's not like a scammy crypto thing. It's not going to disappear. It's backed. It's got all the protection it needs. But this is most certainly a pump this morning. I've got a very small amount, but at the end of the day, I've set myself a stop trading loss of 4%. So I'm going to make money. I'm up 23%, so I'm going to make 19% regardless. You never know, this pump might go all day. It's already gone up. I mean, it was at 10.55. I think I set the order at 10.53. I'm at 10.58 now, so it's going up and up and up. So this could keep running. So if you're going to sell, if there's a stock that you think is being pumped, it's not real. As Market Profit has just said, I totally think you should set a stop trading. It's going up and up, look. Anyway, all of a sudden it will sell, and that'll be that. We'll be out with it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Lockheed is on a bit of a sell right now, but I am still up on it. I'm holding it. The dividends, it still makes sense at the dividend price. All right, I'm up 2.33 today. We're nearly at 44,000. Can you believe it? Vanguard S&P 1%. Vanguard S&P is up 1% today. I'm up 3.5% now. Very nice. Virgin Galactic is now 804. We got a comment here. That bull I caught quick. That bull I caught quick. Let's have a look. You talking about what are you talking about now? Welcome, guys. Michael Colgazia is holding over 1 million shares into earnings. Rob Brennan, brave or stupid? What do you think, Market Profit? Welcome, guys. Church of Logit. That bull I caught quick. Steve, Virgin Orbit is coming back up again. Tesla 919. Let's have a look. Rivian is going back up again. The only thing going for them into earnings is that analysis have very, very low expectations. Analysis did with Netflix. Very low expectations, and the loss only $1 million lower than expectation, and it pumped on earnings. Lucid is going up. Polestar is going up. Arrival is up 4%. 4% today. Amazon is up 2.9. Apple is up 2.56. Robinhood 1064. The stop trail loss. Everyone, I don't give financial advice, but right now I am screaming at the screen, telling everyone, if you have Robinhood and you are in the same position as me, you should have a stop trail loss on it, following it up. If you don't, why? You should all have that. Every single one of you. What's everyone's position on Robinhood? At any minute, that will go down. It's up 15%. We've seen stuff like this on days like this. The earnings is tonight when it can go up 100%. Set a stop trail loss. Now, you don't want to go too big. You want it to dip around, but as you can see, it's going parabolic at the moment. It's going parabolic. Let's check the volume on it. Let's check the volume on it, see what the volume says. The volume today is... Let's have a look. Scroll down. Right. The average volume is 8. Today's volume is 9. So, there you go. Remember when you said that you hated using stop losses? Glad I converted you. Market profit. Me and you are best mates now. Yeah, but this is my trailing loss. This is a stop trading loss. So I'm not just putting a limit on it. It's trailing up. And but yes, it is a stop loss at the end of the day. You're right. And I thank you for that. I never did that. And I nearly forgot to do it a moment ago. I was up 24%. I went, right, okay, sell it. I nearly did. And then I thought, hang on a minute. I could take 24% or 20% with the potential it could rise to 100%. So I decided to set a stop trading loss. And I'm glad I did. Because I did it at 10.55. Now I'm at 10.71. So it doesn't always pay out. And also the most difficult part of doing stop trading loss is how much swing do you allow it to swing. This could be halted in a minute. If we get a lot of volume on here right now, a lot of people could pump this like nuts. Yes, they work great, those trading stop losses. They do. I've just been asked, James M. Is a member of our channel, and he's asked me to look at Joby. And for my members, I do that, of course. Joby Aviation. This is one I did hold. It's up 2.81 today. It's had a good week. Yep, nothing spectacular. Great, but no more really than anything else in the sector. I've got stocks that have done better, so I'm glad I used the money from it to do something else. It was $5 last week. Congratulations to you, Joby. Congratulations, James. It was $5 last week, and we're now at 6. Yeah, very good. I'm very pleased for you. Are you still in there? This is a crazy pump. Maybe insiders know of a takeover. Yes, exactly. There is. I've been saying it for a while. I forget the name of it now. I did a video on it. I'm sorry I've forgotten the name. FX. Can someone remind me? It's a big crypto brokerage something or other. I can't remember the name of it now. FFX, SFX. It's something like that. I just can't remember the name. But anyway. I think they'll be bought out. They probably have no choice at this price. Anyway, doesn't matter. That takes time and the market rules, so it can go right back down. Yep. Stop trail loss. I'm probably going to be out of that now. I only have 16 shares. This really isn't going to make that much difference to me. Space going up. 807. Woohoo! Okay, we've just broken through 20%. Remember, I'm expecting 10x. 1,000%. I'm expecting 1,000% on this stock. So, am I selling it at this point? FTX was the... Thank you, Mike. FTX. I was going right, X-ray, X in, X out, SEX, FTX. Thank you very much. Thank you. FTX, you're thinking, might also be that Vlad leaves the company. I could see the stock pumping. Yes, Vlad is very, very unpopular. And I feel sorry for him because we all are made a certain way. We all behave a certain way. We can't help the way we sound, the way we look, the way we talk. And Vlad's presentation is awful. And he had a dream of a really good app that serves the people. And I take my hat off to him. I love the app. I think it's brilliant. It brought millions of people into the markets. A lot of people lost money, but that's their own fault. You know, we're only responsible for ourselves. We can't blame anybody else. But at the end of the day, you know, it's a brilliant app. It's a brilliant app. Right, we have got a fantastic audience today, and I'm so disappointed that we only have 24 likes. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to do that. We're going to smash the like, and I'm going to reward everybody watching me now with a free cash prize giveaway. We do it every Friday. Tomorrow night, I'm giving $100 away. And then on Friday, we're giving Twitch prizes away, and we're also giving away money on YouTube. So here we go. Here is the invitation to join. One Apex Gamer is now following me. One Apex, there it is. Once you've clicked on that, it'll bring you to this page. Apex Gamer. If you subscribe to me now on Twitch with the Amazon Prime, turn on gaming. It's free. We give away the subscriptions every month to our members. We only have 8, so we've got 1 in 8 chance. Put your email in here to register for the cash prize draw, and then search your junk folder. It always goes to junk. The reason why it goes to junk is because I use the words free cash prize, because it is a free cash prize. All right, I'm not just saying it, it is. And so that's why you have to go in your junk folder and retrieve it. Okay, there are some rumors swirling that ARKK took a major stake in the company. Great. Well, let's see what happens right now. Let's go back to Hood right now. It's still going. My stop trailing order. I'm so glad I remembered that. I was about to sell it at the price. Now I'm basically where I would have been if I just sold it. So anything now is a gift. Anything now is a gift. And I can't lose. I know it's a small profit, guys, but I'm demonstrating the principle nevertheless. All right? Okay. So my friend over there on Twitch... we've got 97 now. If you always keep a tab open on Twitch, the money I earn at ad revenue and the subscriptions I get, which is free, by the way, if you use Amazon Prime Gaming, I return to you once a month as free prize draws. Okay, so consider subscribing to me, and there's 1 in 8 chance now of you winning. And anyway, let's see if anyone signed up for the newsletter during that. I've got 171 now that are verified. 172. Wonderful stuff. We just gained another one. So if you want to sponsor the newsletter, guys, get in. You can book it up to a month ahead at today's price, which is 172 times 5 cents. You can have your link, your business, your YouTube, your Twitch, your TikTok, whatever it is you want to promote in the newsletter. You get a line, a picture, and a link. So really, really cheap. Again, another way I've discovered to help people. Right. Lockheed's come back up again. Let's go for all the stocks. We are up. Oh, my gosh. Are we going to hit 4? Okay, let's end this poll from Rob Brennan. We got day trader of the day. I also need to do a very, very quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date. So here we go. Quick commercial break. See you back in 30 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. This all makes sense later on, afterwards, when you watch the replay. Anyway, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. 38. This is awesome today. Really good. We're prepared. You know why this has happened? Because we're all getting ready for the earnings tomorrow. Right. Let's go back now. Let's go through our stocks. Virgin Galactic is just dropping back a little bit. Virgin Orbit, Tesla's falling. Okay, here we go. Here's a bit of a sell-off now. I bet Hood will go. Houston TX Joe. Houston TX Joe. How are you, Houston? would everybody please welcome our guest in? I don't know if you've just joined the free newsletter. If you want it, just ask me. We do a cash prize every single Friday. And tomorrow, we've got another one. That's still pumping. This definitely looks like a buyout, folks. Here is a Discord link as well, if those of you who haven't checked out Discord. And remember, if you become a member, you get all the perks and benefits. You're just a general public member when you use this link here. Here's the invitation to join. And remember, if you become a member, you get a birthday and a fundraiser where you get all the money in my studio. I give you all the money. We've got one coming up for Zach in Uganda very, very soon. All silver members get that. And they go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So I promote everybody. And remember, on Friday, I will make one of my members here famous on YouTube by giving them all the promotion, and we're going to get Caden way over 100. He's already there now. We got him from 50 to 100 last week, and we're going to increase on that on Friday. Okay, here we go. Lockheed. Overall portfolio is dropping all of a sudden. Let's go the other end of our chart right now. Ethereum is up 2.79. Bitcoin is up. BSV is up 2.42. Enphase Energy is falling down. We're having profit taking now. A big dump right now. Ginkgo Bioworks, Tilray Brands. What a shame. What a shame. We were so close to 44,000 on Canoe, Tesco's. All of a sudden, sell-off. Walmart, and quite big sell-off too. Rolls-Royce barcoding now. PayPal is up 11% and holding. Coming on to SoFi, IonQ up 5% now. I am in the black with IonQ for the first time. Bitcoin is finally going up. Bitcoin, Houston, we have a problem. What's the problem, Bill? What's the problem? SoFi is up 20% today. 10% I'm up now. Got 128 shares. Fantastic. Meta is up 4.42. Microsoft is up 1.53. Google is up 2.3. Johnson & Johnson is up. Coca-Cola is falling. McDonald's is down. I've got buy orders. And Robinhood is still running. I've got a stop trailing loss on this, and I'm so glad I have. Fantastic. Fantastic. So that is just going to keep making money all the way up now. If it drops, here it goes. Oh, no. I've only got 18. This is just for fun to show you the principle of it. Apollo 13. Yeah, I love that film. Tom Hanks, brilliant. Apple is up. Amazon is up. Arrival is up. Polestar is coming back up again. Lucid come back up again. Rivian, just a bit of a blip for a moment. When Virgin Galactic blows up, we won't have a problem. Virgin Galactic, I rank #1 in the world for Virgin Galactic on Google using the search term SPCE stock. It's my most prized asset. So Richard Branson. The whole thing, the Virgin experiences. This is one that's going to be $100 a stock. I make more videos on it than anything else. I believe that 100%. I know it 100%. So there you go. I am all in. Martin, I am not a rich man, and I am learning with you with your great communication. My funds are up 30% since listening to you. Well, that's wonderful, Real Ray. I appreciate the fact that you become a member here and you've tipped for a song. And we'll see you in October. You bought a ticket, didn't you, for the convention? Yet you don't need much money. Let's get one thing absolutely straight. If anybody's watching me and has got no money and going, I'd love to do all this, but I've got no money. I started with $5,000. My entire life savings. No pension. No savings. Nothing. This is what I've done with it. Okay? This is all the money I have in the world. I only have about $2,000 in the bank, which is paying my bills every month. I don't have a mortgage. I paid that off first. I paid my car loan off, did that. Don't have any credit cards, paid that off. I'm just living on the very basic now. I live in my studio. It's my full-time gig, and this is all my money. If it goes to zero, I go to zero. If it goes $1 million, I got $1 million. But this is it. I've got a plan to reach 200,000 in 2 years and then move into more secure dividend stocks. That's exactly what I'm doing. And I'm sticking to the plan. When I first started, I had loads of fear, FOMO, stress, drama. That's all gone. That's all gone. Now, I enjoy what I do, and I'm building a family, building a community. We're raising money for people. We're supporting people. We've helped those people in Ukraine. Remember that when we did a live show in Ukraine? We've raised money for Zach. We've raised over $1 million. Before this channel started on my main music channel, we raised, I think it was like $48,000 in one night for the Lions Club. We raised about $38,000 one night for the nurses a local hospital near me. The list goes on and on and on. And all that is from YouTube. And right now, I'm a full-time YouTuber. Robinhood's going to sell now, isn't it? It's going to sell. The fun's over. Hi, Zach. All good, mate. I hope it carries on. I was enjoying that. This is the only downside. If you set a stop trading order, if you set it at $3, 3%, and it goes down 3%, it will sell, and then suddenly flies back up again, you're out. If you'd set for 4, you may have stayed in, but you know, you don't know where it's going to go. It's nice to have it set, you know, if you're happy with the profit you've made, just do that. Just ride it, you know. So there you go. For me, that will sell at any second now. I'll tell you now, where's it going to sell? It's going to sell at, let me refresh that, saying 1054. It's probably higher than that now. It may have already sold. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. It's only 3%, I think, or 4%. I think I allowed it to go. It's going to sell at 1076. Oh no, that's the highest. Beg your pardon. At 1033. It will sell at 1033. It will sell at 1033. So there we go. Which platforms do people use in the UK for stocks and crypto? A lot use eTORO, and I have links for that if you want it. A lot of people have problems with it, but that's the one that most people use. Right, the stocks are coming back up again. We're getting a rebound now. We had a quick sell-off there, a little flash crash, if you like, but we're coming back up again now. Virgin Orbit is below $4. I didn't think it would do that. We're having some profit taking. Lucid, Polestar, Arrival. Great news coming out of Arrival any day now. Arrival is up. Okay. Right, time. We are behind today. I want to do day trader of the day. Today. I want to do day trader of the day. And let's see how many subscribers we gained today. 4,086, 4,088. Just a couple of subscribers today we gained during the show. I thought it'd be more than that, actually. I thought I saw a few more. But anyway, not to worry. Okay, I am even using your skills to increase the pension that I cannot access, but I can buy shares too. You are changing lives, mind. Thank you. Well, you know what? The thing is, it's easy to win if you all support each other. I find making money really... Sometimes I get bored of making money. I haven't got much money. This is all the money I have. But I do sometimes get bored. It was funny. I woke up this morning. I went, oh, it's another green day again. After a while, it's like, oh, I've done that now. It's like, I like the red days is when you buy cheap stocks. Like Warren Buffett says, he prefers the red days. It's when you get involved. Green days, it's just a number. It just goes up. And, you know, but the thing is, you can't but win if you put everybody else first. I learned when I came to America, the American dream, right? I'm in America, came here from England, and I started doing networking. I don't do it anymore. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. But for a few years, I did lots of networking. I networked everywhere, all right? And the people that have been living here for years said, how are you so optimistic and happy? And how are you growing so quickly in the community? I went, because I never concern myself with how much money I can make, and I just concern myself with how I can provide people with a service that I can provide and help them and provide something better than everyone else. And I've never been worried about money. Money just comes, it's easy. The hard part is keeping money. It's easy to make money because most people are lazy. Most people you can compete. Most people, it's so easy to beat, it's so easy to win because most people are lazy. And I prove it every day. Hundreds of emails every day, begging letters. Please give me some money. Just give me money. I go, well, just watch my channel. And I give money away every week. No, I don't want to do that. I just want you to give me money. And I go, well, I do give money, but you got to watch my channel because the channel makes money with ad revenue, which you don't pay for, and then I give the money back to you. So I help you, you help me, everybody wins, but you win more than me because I give away the money I make. And they go, well, can't you just give me money? And what a silly attitude that is. It's stupid. It's so easy to win. It really is. When you get bored, Martin, just sing. Yeah, I know. That's what I do. That's what I do. But the most rewarding thing here is not how much money I'm making. It's building the family. Houston, Texas. Martin is right. We got a new guest here today. Most people are lazy. They are. Houston Joe, have you signed up for my weekly newsletter? I give money away every single Friday, and it's going to get more and more as I make more money. Being single keeps me not broke. That's a funny one. I like that. So, did you sign up for it? Because every Sunday a newsletter goes out with all my free giveaways. I'm going to give it to you in case you didn't do it. I don't know if you did it or not. All right, it's free. Here it is. I relax flying my drones. There you go. Here you go. Here is the email link. All you got to do is click on that. And once you've clicked on it, go to your inbox. Look in your junk folder for the email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. All you got to do is look for that and verify it. And every Sunday, I send out an email, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT. And in there are cash giveaways. And tomorrow night, we're giving $100 away live in the show for doing absolutely nothing other than watching one of my videos and leaving a comment. I have a drone too. And they even crash. Oh, I've got a drone that Bill wants to buy. I've got to put it on eBay. I've got a drone. He wants to buy my drone. Brilliant. Anyway. Day trader of the day. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's do day trader of the day right now, and let's see who's got the who's done the best today. And I wanted to let everybody know if you love the show and all the rest of it, I've just released some new products in my shop, and you'll see below the videos, not the live shows, but the actual videos, my merch shelf. And look, you can have all these things now from my shop. There you go. Mugs, beer mugs, t-shirts, hats, any colour, any size, towels, beach towels, mugs, you name it. And if you want something with your own name on it, you can have it. Just let me know and I'll make it for you. Any colour, any design, all there, shipped locally wherever you are around the world in your country. Look, we made stuff for Bill. He wanted Chinese stuff. Look, all with my logo, any colour, you got your name on it. I make it for you. I charge $4 extra to custom make it. Okay? And for those of you that are going to be in England in October, we're going to have a very special UK tour with the Day Trader. We're very excited about that, and hopefully everybody will wear it on the beach. It'd be fun, right? I'm good, no crashes, says Bill. Right, Day Trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio, and I was up a lot higher than this, but nevertheless up 1.14%. That's where I am now. When the first person posts, I will post your score. Sorry, I was thinking, what am I talking about? Sometimes when I'm managing all these screens, I completely forget I don't know what I'm saying. I'm in the middle of a sentence. I go, what am I supposed to be saying right now? I have no idea. Right, here comes the clock. Right, 1 minute. Here we go. So I am at 1.14. 1.88, Shad goes into the lead. 1.77, James just behind him. Bill, he's up 2.55. He's winning again today. Church of Logic is up 7%. That takes it. Seb Dean, 2.33, 2.81. Dave Mottram, how are you, mate? Dave's been suffering from chemotherapy, folks. Send some love to Dave Mottram. He's one of our original members. That's why he's got a gold badge. Church of Logic... CY Financials 2%, 2.12. Looks like Church of Logic is going to win though. I'm thinking about opening a new brokerage account so I can start day trading again. I missed the rush. Oh, steady on. Steady on. Right, it looks like the Church of Logic is the winner. Let's thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And everybody, let's give him the sound effects. Here we go. All right. All right, there you go. Very nice. Very good indeed. Very good score. Church of Logic, awesome stuff. All right. Okay, well done, Church. Yeah, Dave Mottram, how are you? Yeah, you'll notice once you've been a member for several months, your badge turns gold, and those members and we're waiting for our first one. It'll be Muzanella if he stays a member. He's a gold member, but his badge will turn red in a few months. It comes at the end of, I think, end of a year, and it won't be long before he's a gold member. Anyway, this is AMT this morning. I'm down 11%. I bought $10 on it for a laugh, just for a bit of fun. This was this ridiculous Chinese, ridiculously pretend silly stock. I'm expecting to lose $10. I did it just for a laugh. Anyway, fireworks. Let's see them. What for? What for? I can't do fireworks. I've not had a super chat. You can't have fireworks. I've not had a super chat. There's no reason to do fireworks. I am now looking to buy shares again. Real Ray, good stuff. One of the best times to get in the market. We were at the bottom a few weeks ago, and we're only just off the bottom. We're still just up from where I was. So I listened to Martin. I'm not being greedy, just smart. Yeah, don't be greedy. Well, you need to be greedy with the sentiment that you want to make money, but don't be greedy in the fact that you're shy to take profits. Take profits. Nothing wrong with taking profits. No one ever lost by taking profits. All right. 3%. Let's see them. 3%. That doesn't even win anyway, Fusion. You guys are behind. You've not pressed the live button. You guys haven't pressed the live button. You know you're behind. What's going on? Sort yourselves out, guys. Press the live button and turn it from grey to red. What are you doing? Why are you behind the show? Can't be doing that. Right. Now then, we have got some very important stuff coming up. Right? Let me see if... Robinhood... I've still got Robinhood. I've still got it. It's still holding on. They are subpar anyway. Church of Logic. Am I correct in saying Robinhood is not available? Correct. Not available in the UK. Prospeed. You're absolutely right. I am losing in Tesla and Virgin Orbit, but I'm holding. You should be holding all of those. Virgin Orbit and Tesla, yes. Tesla is going to be 3,000-4,000. No one knows the number. But if you look at the potential of the robots, the robo-taxis, the insurance, the solar, the batteries, all the other stuff, Tesla can easily be $3,000-4,000 in a few years. So there's no reason to sell. All I do is I buy when it goes below my lowest level. That's it. I won't increase my dollar cost average. See how it says 706? That's it. It's got to go to 650 before I buy again. I'm not going to buy it for 707. I've got 13 shares. I don't need to own any more. By the way, if you only own 100 shares of Tesla and nothing else, In 10 years, that'll be more than enough for you to retire and live very, very well. What platform am I using? One Apex Gamer. I am using Robinhood. Welcome to my platform, One Apex Gamer. You may notice he's over there on Twitch. I do a wonderful thing for my Twitchers. I've got 8 subscribers. If you subscribe using your Amazon Prime, turn gaming on. It's free, costs nothing at all. I give away my subscriber money, and I do a monthly cash giveaway. I do a draw, and right now I've only got 8 subscribers, a 1 in 8 chance that you can win. All right, brilliant. And you can be we're on YouTube right now. We're on TikTok, Twitch. We're everywhere at the same time. But you can be in our cash prize draw. And if you keep a tab open on Twitch and keep it earning ad revenue, I share that as well. All right, it's what I do. We're trying to grow the best channels in the world where we help more people. Wonder if it's the same Robinhood. It'll be the same, Ray, just listening in pounds rather than dollars. Yes, exactly. The position of Tesla is exactly the same in the UK as it is here. You're obviously dealing on a British brokerage, but it may access the US market, but the price will be the same. It'll just be in dollars, not pounds, or whatever, pounds, not dollars, whatever. But it'll be trading exactly the same. There's no special deal. It won't be a different rate or anything. OPEC agrees to produce slightly more oil as recession fears loom. Okay. Some people are now saying we're not going to go into recession. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Right. I'm down 13% now. I mean, no surprise. I bought $10 of this crazy stock in this morning for a bit of fun to see what would happen. And I'm going to keep $10 like a lottery ticket. And, if it goes to zero, whatever, I don't care. It was just a bit of fun. Anyway, I'm not going to buy any more. Lockheed is coming back up again. I'm up at the moment, 0.72. A little opportunity for those of you who didn't buy it the first time around. We're still up 1%. We're trying to rebound back. A little bit of a drop. The S&P is still trying to come up. Virgin Galactic is holding around the $8. Has Robinhood sold out yet? It is falling down now, though. Oh, there we go. It's sold. Robinhood has sold. Robinhood has sold. So there you go. I made myself a small profit. Very small. I sold it. There you go. To let you know what I did, 878, 848 was my average. I sold 1033. So I didn't have very much, but I sold it. And I had a trading loss, which basically actually came in around about where I would have sold it anyway. So I didn't actually benefit from the trading loss. It hadn't quite gone up enough to allow for the 4% drop. That doesn't matter. I still made a good profit. I've got 1 share, so my average is 857, whatever it is that's down there. So there it is, 857. There could be a rumor of a buyout. Now I've made some money on it, like $30 I made on it or whatever. If it goes down now, before, and it probably will. Look at Robinhood today. Before the earnings, we could have like a $6 crash, 5, 4. The platform is great. It's not going anywhere. But what we could get is a buyout. FTX could buy it out, and then the market would surge. So we've had a bit of a pump. We've made a bit of money. Let it fall back. And then if you fancy a little bit, buy a little bit. Maybe around, I'd like to get it cheaper than that. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to pay $8.60 for it. I'm going to pay anything under $8.57. So I'm going to pay what? 7? It doesn't really matter. It's not a magic number. I know people look on charts and say there are magic numbers, but I don't believe any of that stuff. I just want to get it for less. And as long as I get it for less, then I'm a winner, right? Okay. We're coming up to the end of the show because there's a few things we've got to do. We have got to get ready for our biggest ever cash giveaway, courtesy of Rob Brennan, tomorrow night. So, I would like you guys to help me out. Virgin Galactic video, several are starting to really pick up pace. So, at the end of the show, I want you to go and watch this video. You may have already watched it, You may have already watched it, but please watch it all the way through again, please. If you want to help the stock and you want to help my channel, which is all the same thing really, go and watch that video and leave a comment. And if you've left a comment, either leave another one or reply to someone's comment. We want engagement on it. We want to keep it going. We want to drive the interest and the volume into Virgin Galactic for tomorrow night to hit $10 a share. That's what we want. Okay. Now tonight, after hours, we have got Robinhood earnings. This is tonight, after hours. I'm going to be covering it. We're going to be doing it live. You can go there now and put a like on it. Click notify. There you go. Look, there it is. There's the link. 3 people have already liked it. Who's going to be the first person to leave a comment? There you go. There's notify. There we go. We've got 4 likes now. Comments are coming in. No, they're not. I haven't seen a comment yet. Beg your pardon. 4 likes. Go and do that. And then we're back with the closing bell this afternoon. But then after that, this is the big one. This is the one we're all really rooting on. It'd be great for all of you. We'll all make money. Everybody will make money, and the channel will make money, so we can return more money to prizes. Is the Virgin Galactic after hours on Thursday? It's got 24 likes now. If you've not yet gone there, like this video, please do. Leave a comment. Click the notify and get it. Oh, 25 likes now. There we go. It's just gone up. Excellent. Very, very exciting. Go and do that. We don't want to miss that one. It's going to be a big night. Right. Here goes AMTD down 41%. I mean, remember now, this can go down 1,000,000%. Right. It's absolutely ridiculous. I don't like losing $10. Oh, David Knight just subscribed. Thank you so much indeed. I don't like losing $10, but it's a bit of a... Oh, look at that now, look. Oh, look at it dropping now, look. A completely manipulated, made-up nonsense stock. It may never do that again now. There it goes. May never do that again. I'm down 50%, $5. I only put $10 in, all right? Just for a joke. Just for a joke. And see what happens. Lockheed is going up, back up again now. That's good to see. And I'm hope there we go. We're getting it bounced back now. We got a bit of profit taken this morning. That's all right. Right. We're coming to the end of the show. If you've not subscribed, you're watching on the repeat, give us a thumbs up and let us know you're here. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you ever so much, everyone who followed me over on TikTok today. If you subscribe to me, when I end this show, I will see that you subscribed. So you actually make money from this. Yes, my portfolio, I'll put on the screen, was $5,000. And I've grown all the way to $43,000. If you look on the screen right now, it's going to come up behind you. This is my real portfolio, my real money. There you go. And yes, I've made money. I'm down at the moment overall since my high where I was in November. But yes, and the money I make on YouTube and Twitch and TikTok, I give back to you in prizes and all sorts. I'm here to grow the best channel in the world. That's my aim. That's what I want. Is it too late to buy SoFi? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. When you ask, is it too late, you're implying it's reached the top of its S-curve. You're saying it's peaked. It's not going to go up from here. No. No. SoFi is just in the beginning of its journey. The stock could easily be $50 in a few years' time. It's got a long way to go. It's a great stock. The company's great. What it does is great. No, I don't think it's by any means. And if you look at it, it's up 22% today, but I'm only up 12%. I'm only up 12% more than you. If you bought it now, I'm 12% better than you. That's all. And you don't buy a stock to make 12%, do you? You buy a stock to make 100%, don't you? Who buys a stock just to make 10%? I don't. Why would you risk your money to make 10%? I'm not interested in doing that. I'm interested in making 100%. 100%. At least. I have just seen your 80s photo and you made a better pop star entertainer than Ricky Gervais. Yeah. Where did you see that? Where was that today? That was on Facebook, right? You're talking about this, aren't you? My 80s picture. Oh yeah. We did that because we were looking at neighbours the other day. When neighbours become good friends and all that stuff. Yeah, where is it? You were looking at this. I know what you were looking at. I know what you're looking at. You were looking at this. Here we go. This is what you're looking at, right? Oh, yeah. I'm a pop star, all right. Here we go. You're looking at this, right? Who's seen this picture? I should have said, who's this? See if anybody would know who that was. That's me, by the way. On Discord, yeah. I've just seen, yeah. Is Oscar Heath, is that a good start? Oscar Heath, I don't know about that one. Should we go and have a look at it? Yeah, that's me in the 80s, folks. Oh, my God. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Right, okay. Oscar Heath, I don't know anything about it. Tong One, I have to be honest, I don't know. I will have a little look for you, though. Oscar Heath. I don't know if I even got it on Robinhood. Yes, it is. FTX is up today. Oscar Heath incorporates health insurance. Oscar Heath up 3% today. So no, I wouldn't touch that. Wouldn't touch that right now. Only because I'm not looking for any new investments. So I know it's had some growth right now, but everything's had growth right now. It's not really hard to make money right now. It's hard to keep it. And I think I could lose my money on that one quite easily. Lose my money, sorry. FDX. Which one? FDXM. Which one do you want me to look at? There's several FDXs. So I don't know, so I'll come out of that. I'm not really sure which one's which. Right. Let's wrap up the show. We are going back up again. Now, the reason why I want to end the show right now, even though I've got a good audience with me, is I want to make some more videos today for Virgin Galactic and really, really push and promote the show for tomorrow night. Now, we are back later on with Robinhood in the after hours. It's going back up again. You should start singing Spando Ballet. I do gold. I do gold. I can do it in the show if I get a $10 super chat. I can do gold, and I can do quite a good Spando Ballet voice, actually, even if I do say so myself. So if anybody requests gold, I can do it live in the show. And I could even do it now in the show, or maybe this afternoon, because we're going to end the show right now. But if you do a super chat, yeah, Tong Wong, it's not for me right now. It's not a fit for my portfolio. Just put it that way. All right. I like high risk stocks that can change the world. Ray Thomas, how about PSX, DAL, and CCL? Oh, you're looking at the Carnival Cruise Lines. There's no real value in those right now. I got rid of all those. I made some money a while ago, but right now there's so much debt, so much. They've watered their stocks down so much. CCL. I can review your. I can go and make videos on the stocks, review all the stocks if you're a member, but I have to prioritize my members, Ray. I hope you don't mind and I hope you understand. But if you become a member and you want me to make a video on a stock that you're interested in, I'm happy to do that. And very often I'll buy a share of it just to support it, because if I'm making a video on it, I always like to own the stocks that I promote. Okay, so there you go. If you want to become a member, there is a invitation. Right, this is good to see. The overall portfolio is coming back up again, and it's coming up strong. Coming up strong. Lockheed gave an opportunity to buy in today. Looking good. The S&P's come back up again. Virgin Galactic over $8 again. This is good. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. Right, I'm going to end the show. I keep saying I'm going to end the show. I just want to give everybody the chance to have their say. We've had Day Trader of the Day. Thank you for today, Mike. It's my absolute pleasure. Maybe see you this afternoon, Ray, if you want to request gold. I'll do it for you. 172 subscribers now to the newsletter. I'm just checking if it's gone up at all. 173. We've got another person now subscribed to our cash giveaway. Tomorrow we're giving $100 away. Absolutely brilliant. Shall we do day trader of the day right at the end to see how everybody's has changed? Let's do it. Okay. Bye everyone. Peter Maycock's off. See you later. We'll just do a quick day trader of the day. 1.73. We're getting a bounce right now. I thought we would. 1.73 up. How many have entered the $100 giveaway? I'll tell you this afternoon. I haven't got the screen open. I will tell you this afternoon, Rob. I haven't got the screen open, but I will tell you. Right, here we go. 1.73. Let's see how everybody's doing right now. Thanks, Martin. Seb Dean, you're very welcome, my friend. Bill, Day's up 3%. He goes into the lead. Mike says bloody scammers. Yeah, waste of time, innit? I'm up 2.2. I did this for NYS. He posted, so I thought I'll do it. 3.1 goes into the lead. 2.24. Seb Dean. Looks like he's going to be the winner right now. Let's keep his score on the door. All right. Excellent. And we're going to roll the credits in a second. Straight after this, we're going to see if Seb Dean holds his crown. This was just a little extra one. I wanted to see if anybody... old Tilray Brands coming back up and strong. A lot of swing trading today, scalp trading rather. Everything's rising very quickly. Gone down slightly, but I'm up 22%. That's why I sold, but reinvesting and lost slightly. You're up 22%, but you lost. How could that be? Gone down slightly, up 22%. That's why I sold, but reinvesting and lost slightly. I had most of my gains in SPCE, but you're up 22% today. That doesn't, yeah. So basically, what it is, the day trade of the day is your overall portfolio, not one stock, not one crypto. Your day position overall on your main portfolio, and that's where you are. Ray Thomas just subscribed. Thank you, Ray. Ray just subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much indeed. So that makes you the winner, Ray. Real Ray is up 22%. Thanks for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And let's have the sound effects. There we go. All right. Okay, it's time to roll the credits. If everyone could give me the roll the credits, nearly all in space. That's why I'm up. Great stuff. Fantastic. Right, you ready, folks? Time to end the show. Time to roll the credits. I've got to make some videos, promote space, make some money, get everybody into the draw this afternoon. So let's roll the credit. I'm looking for someone now to say roll the credits. Here it comes. Let's see who took part in today's show, and let's roll those credits. Okay, here we go. Let's see who did their bit today. Stars of the show. Restream bot. I don't know why it doesn't always pick people, but there you go. I can't understand why it is, but we've had quite a busy day today. Look, we got all the categories filled today. Unfortunately, Restream bot takes the lead for the moderator of the day. I don't know why. Yeah, what? I don't know why it is. I can't say. I don't know why it is. Rob Brennan gave me a super chat. Our only super chat today. We didn't get a request. I thought Real Ray was going to request Gold by Spando Ballet, but we shall see it on another show. Let's see if he does. Rob Brennan, thank you very much. A new follower on Twitch, One Apex Gamer. Thank you very much for being a star over there. And subscribers, we got some subscribers today on YouTube, and the portfolio is pumping up now, 1.86. We're nearly at $44,000. We got some subscribers today. David Knight and Ray Thomas, thank you very much. And a new member became a member on YouTube here, Peter Maycock. Thank you very much for becoming a member. Absolutely great. What a great day. But my wife gave birth. Priorities. My wife gave birth. Priorities. Eh? Your wife gave birth during the show. I was just about to sing Gold and you cancelled it because your wife was giving birth. What do you mean? That can't be right. Ha ha ha. I was, but my wife gave birth. Priorities. My wife gave birth. I was going to make a request, but my wife gave birth. Am I missing something here? Thank you, Seb Dean. Congratulations, Ray. Wonderful stuff, Ray. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah. Your wife gave birth during the show. I'm confused. Take care of yourselves and each other. Ray, explain that later. That can't be right, can it? Bye-bye.